In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in Telegram. We'll walk through this on Telegram Desktop and Telegram Web, and I'll explain what each option does so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, open Telegram on your computer or in your browser and go to the chat that contains the message you want to remove. This can be a one-on-one conversation, a group, or a channel where you have permission to manage messages. Take a moment to locate the exact message, especially if there are multiple similar messages or media files in a row. Next, point your mouse at that message and right-click it. On some trackpads, a two-finger click works the same way. This opens a small menu with actions for that specific message. From this menu, click Delete Message. Telegram will pop up a confirmation window so you don't remove something by mistake. In the confirmation window, you'll see two options. Delete for me removes the message only from your own view. The other person or group members will still see it, and it will remain in their chat history. This is useful if you just want to tidy up your side of the conversation without changing anything for others. Delete for everyone, if available, removes the message from both sides of the chat. That means it disappears for you and for other participants. Keep in mind that availability depends on your permissions and the chat type. In many one-on-one chats, you can remove messages for both sides. In groups or channels, you may need admin rights to do this for messages you didn't send. If you don't see the option, it's not currently allowed in that context. Once you've chosen the option that fits your goal, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the action is immediate. Deleted messages can't be recovered through Telegram, so be sure you're removing the correct content. Also note that even if you delete a message for everyone, other participants might have already seen it, and Telegram can't remove screenshots or copies made outside the app. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If a large media file is slow to disappear, give it a moment. Telegram has to update the view for all sides. If you don't see delete for everyone where you expect it, make sure you're on the latest version of Telegram Desktop or Web and check your permissions in that chat. That's it. Open the chat, right-click the message, choose Delete Message, select Delete for me or Delete for everyone, and confirm. You're all set.